बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा, अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है। You are watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart.
Stubborn boy. Complete moral story in English. In a village, there lived a stubborn boy. He never listened to anyone. If he wanted to play, he insisted until he got his way. If he wanted sweets, he would stubbornly demand them. His parents often advised him that stubbornness is a bad habit, but he never listened. One day, it started raining heavily. All the children stayed indoors, but the boy insisted on going outside to play. His parents tried to stop him, but he did not listen. He went out, got drenched in the rain, and played in the mud. The next day, he fell sick with fever and cough. For days, he had to stay in bed. Then he realized that stubbornness and disobedience had brought him nothing but harm. Moral: being stubborn and disobedient always leads to harm.
If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You were watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. We'll meet again with another heartfelt story. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.